How to make money from cryptocurrency by using AI tools. Top 10 ways AI is helping investors make money in crypto. Use of a platform, use of neutral network marketing, statement analysis used to virtual assistants, and number 6 making automate trading, and number 5 data monetization, number 8 making for blockchain. Top 10 ways AI is helping investor make money is crypto. People also ask, can I use AI to trade crypto? Is AI used in crypto mining? Is AI trading profitable? How does AI crypto work? 10 ways AI is assisting investor is making money in the crypto worlds. Here are some ways AI can help crypto marketing investor make money: investing, monetizations, analysis, marketing, using, and top 10 articles, intelligence, AI, cryptocurrencies. Is an AI blockchain network that act as a found using article can machine learning to make 10 best AI crypto trading bots by 2023. Trading bots are now being used by crypto investors to automate the buying and selling of positive based on key technical, just as they are doing. How to create an AI crypto trading bot. Here is our guide to show you how is AI and ML to create an AI crypto trading bot. One project planning you naturally want to successfully, and 15 ways AI can make you money with a cryptocurrency. Automatic AI trading make money way how you sleep. Content creating become a crypto, start a crypto website, all things. People also search from articles, intelligence, a crypto coins, best article intelligence, a cryptocurrency, all AI tool, AI crypto trading bots, best all crypto trading bots, free all trading bots, articles, artificial intelligence, crypto trading. Four ways AI can help you make money is crypto. Some AI robots have a development online, a calculators, and cryptocurrency investors in are projecting profit as well as debts. Bitcoins 360 AI crypto auto trading software bots profitable or scannings. According to the website, Bitcoin's 360 AI can be used for free. The minimum deposit by the tradings is $250. The platforms climb trading cans. How AI is cryptocurrency tradings, an overview of the it's now easy to generate your own crypto tradings bot using to chat gpt. Even if you have codings, and ChatGPT is using ChatGPT to trade a crypto and make money. YouTube's how I am making income with ChatGPT AI tools. These all crypto tokens are how to make money with AI tools. And The all crypto tokens aim to become because of the processor of learning and development. However, as well all cryptocurrencies.